What is up, everybody? Welcome to another Don Tech Minute. Today's episode has to do with data and what are the best ways to save your data files. A lot of times people are really concerned about losing their data, or they don't even really know what the data is aside from pictures or something like that. So it's really important that you have redundancy and you save as many or have as many copies of your files as you would seem fit. So usually that means about 2 to 3 copies. And copies just means the exact number of those files that you have. The best rule to follow is going to be pretty much having it in 3 different locations. You want to have it on the local machine itself if you can. You want to have it in the cloud if possible through a program like CrashPlan, for example. Or you want to also make sure that they're saved to an external device. But it's very important that you know where your data is at, because if you trust a program, even an online program, to do all of that for you and you find out later that it wasn't doing it, the only person you have to blame is yourself. Let's recap. Everything that constitutes as something that you've created is data. That can be pictures, files, application data, game save files, family tree maker files, TurboTax information, QuickBooks, Quicken, anything that you've saved locally on your machine is something that would constitute as data. Music files, documents, Excel spreadsheets, PDFs, everything would be considered data. You also want to make sure that you have at least 3 copies of your data files, something on the machine locally if you can, something in the cloud if you can, and then something saved to an external. Redundancy is key when it comes to saving your data files, and that way you won't have to send your machine off or your drive off to get some very expensive data recovery. So I hope this episode of Don Tech Minute was helpful. Leave any comments or suggestions down in the comment box below. Subscribe if you haven't already and you want to see more of these Don Tech Minute. I hope you're enjoying this series. I'm really enjoying making them. Remember to follow me at the Don Tech on Twitter and ask me any questions there, and maybe you'll get featured in a video. So I'll see you in the next one, and I've got your back, because I'm the Don, and the Don's got your back. That's what I meant to say. All right.